Testing. How's it, Oaks? So today I've got my phone and I've got a Bluetooth headset, and that's how I'm talking. So I just wanted to test out the Bluetooth headset and see how it records. Coming from Stellenbosch. Stellenbosch. Wait, I was gonna pull over because I want to zip up my waistcoat. That was a truck that I wanted to get in front of earlier. Now he's in front of me. I just wanted to check out the quality of the sound here. By the way, I tried to find the app where you could record video and where you could use your Bluetooth headset to record sound that you're talking. And there aren't a lot of apps that can do that. The only app that can do that is Camify. But now my wife also has a Bluetooth headset, and Camify can't record what your wife is saying and you saying on the video recording. So I've actually made my own app that can do all that using vibe coding. I can record video and I can talk directly onto the app. I mean, directly onto the video. So now we're doing 120. I know how the sound is, checking it out. Stuck with the yellow bikes. And today I'm just doing an easy ride home, the 140, 160 max. Because I don't have a lot of petrol left and I don't have less to stop. And I want to see how's the wind going now, 140. Interestingly, I don't feel such a lot of resistance from the phone because of the larger surface area. 160. Can you hear me? So today I had my meetings in Stellenbosch. First at Stellenbosch University, then at the farm. Yeah, it was okay. Not the best news, but it went okay. And here we got traffic, more traffic. You see, so I guess that I was going to come into the right lane because this car's on the left. That's exactly what he did. Because thinking this brother is going to block me in now, and that's what they do. Otherwise, I don't know what the point of a car driving in and out of traffic because they're not going to get anywhere. They're just going to find themselves like literally 5 seconds behind where they were before. It doesn't make a difference to the life. But a bike, you see, actually makes a difference. Oh yeah, so the other thing this app doesn't do is that I have a phone that can record at 60 frames per second because if things are moving fast like on a motorbike, you want more frames per second, more than better resolution. So 60 frames per second. A camera file only gives you 60 frames per second if you use a paid version. Yes. So back to 60 kilometers per hour. Sure, sounds like a speed that can be heard very easily. So yeah.